Did you know that you can make money from the knowledge, skill, experience, and talent you already have? Yes, you can. With AI replacing jobs, taking away tasks, functions, etc., more and more people are finding themselves unemployed, laid off, etc. But what they're missing is that they have something that is very valuable, something that is profitable, and it's their knowledge, skill, talent, and experience. And I'm going to help you right now identify these experience, knowledge, skill, talent, and share a few ways you can use them to make an extra income or even start a profitable business. Ready? Let's go. Now, in this video, you'll learn how to identify your unique strengths, package them into valuable products or services, and create multiple income streams. Whether you're an employee, freelancer, entrepreneur, student, retiree, or stay-at-home parent, you already possess valuable expertise that people are willing to pay for. The challenge isn't whether you have value, it's learning how to recognize it and present it in a way that solves real problems. If you find this video helpful, of course, like it, share it, subscribe, and even comment. What if I told you that the biggest opportunity to increase your income isn't another degree, another job, or winning the lottery? It's something you already have: your knowledge, your skills, your talent, your experience. All right, let's be real. Winning the lottery is a good thing. Winning 100 million, 200 million, 40 million, 20 million, even if just 150,000, that's a good thing. So let's not skip that. Let's not skip that, okay? Let's not skip that. Winning the lottery can do a lot for you. However, whether you win it or not, you already have something that is valuable. And that's what you already know from your skills, experience, talent, knowledge. The question isn't whether you have something valuable. The question is whether you have recognized its value. Today, I'll show you how to identify it and make use of it. So step one, identify your knowledge. Knowledge is what you have learned through education, work, reading, hobbies, or personal experiences. Ask yourself, what topics do people ask me about? What can I explain easily? What subjects do I enjoy learning? Your knowledge could include finance, cooking, parenting, technology, fitness, gardening, language learning, productivity, or almost any other area. If you can help someone save time, avoid mistakes, or achieve goals, your knowledge has value. Step two, recognize your talents. Talents are natural abilities that often feel effortless. Maybe you are naturally creative. Maybe you're an excellent communicator. Maybe you're organized. Perhaps you're great at solving problems or motivating others. Because these abilities come naturally, it's easy to underestimate them. But what feels easy to you may be difficult for someone else. And that's where opportunity begins. Step three, list your skills. Skills are abilities you have developed through practice. Examples include writing, graphic design, public speaking, video editing, sales, marketing, coding, photography, project management, teaching. Every skill solves a problem, and businesses pay people who solve problems. The more valuable the problem, the greater the potential income. Step four, don't ignore your experience. Your life experiences are valuable because they provide lessons. Have you started a business, lost weight, changed careers, managed a team, raised children, recovered from setbacks? Every challenge you have overcome gives you insights that can help someone else. Your journey could become coaching, consulting, books, videos, workshops, or digital products. Step 5. Find the overlap. Now combine everything. Ask yourself, what do I know? What am I naturally good at? What skills have I developed? What experiences have shaped me? Where those 4 areas overlap is often your greatest opportunity. That's where your unique value lives. Step 6. Solve real problems. People don't buy information, they buy solutions. Instead of asking, what can I sell? Ask, what problem can I solve? The bigger the problem you solve, the more valuable your experience becomes. So the bigger the problem, the more valuable your expertise becomes. Step 7. Turn knowledge into income. Here are a few ways to monetize your expertise. You have online courses, you have coaching, you have consulting, you have ebooks, you have membership communities, you have digital templates, you have workshops, you have YouTube content, you have freelance services, you have speaking engagements. You don't need to do everything. Start with one method and improve over time. Step 8. Build your personal brand. Now remember, a brand is whatever you say or do. That's what people know you for. They know you for something, and that is your brand. So build your personal brand. People buy from people they trust. Share useful content consistently. Teach, inspire, answer questions, provide valuable for asking for a sale. As trust grows, opportunities grow too. Step 9. Keep learning. The most successful people never stop improving. Every new skill you learn increases your value. Every problem you solve expands your expertise. Every person you help strengthens your reputation. Learning is one of the most and best long-term investments you can make. Learning, you never stop learning. That is an investment that gives you returns that money can't buy. You can make money from it, but you get a lot more from consistent learning. So your knowledge is valuable, your talents matter, your skills solve problems, your experiences can change lives. The opportunity isn't somewhere else. It's already within you. The only thing left is to take action. Choose one strength, help one person, and start building from there. One small step today could become a completely different future tomorrow. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Let us know what you think. Let us know if this has been helpful for you. Let us know how your journey is going. Let us know if there's more that you'd like to know, and I'll be more than happy to share with you. I am Leroy A. Brown from leroyabrown.ca. Thanks for joining me.